The IQ America battery-operated LED motion sensor security light is very easy to install and puts out incredibly bright light anywhere you need it. There's no wiring required, so it can be installed just about anywhere, inside or outside of a shed, on decks, fences, gates, or even in a tree. The family of IQ America lights comes in 3 great sizes: a single lamp with 500 lumens, a double lamp with 800 lumens, and a triple lamp with an amazing 1200 lumens for those larger areas around your home. All IQ American motion sensor lights provide 180-degree detection coverage, so when motion is recognized, you are covered. The lights are flexible, so you can conveniently aim them where you need. The included diffuser panel simply snap on if you choose to reduce the glare of the lights for a more stylish look. The unit can be wall-mounted or ceiling-mounted. Simply mount the backplate to the wall or eave with 2 screws, insert 4 D-cell batteries, and then slide the unit on the backplate until it clicks into place. There are 3 operating modes. In the 15-second mode, the lights will stay on as long as there is motion in the area and then shut off automatically after 15 seconds. Second is the time extender mode. The lights turn on and stay on as long as there is motion. It dims for about a minute if you walk out of the area, but will go back up to 100% brightness when you enter the detection area again. The third mode is the Eco battery saving mode. The light is still very bright, but you can extend your battery life by up to 30% longer. If you would like your IQ America motion sensor light to come on before it's dark outside, by pressing the Dusk Learn button, you are telling the unit this is the outdoor ambient light level that you would like your light to come on to daily. The IQ America family of motion sensor lights comes in a variety of sizes and colors for anywhere you need bright light around your home.